How to insert page breaks in Google Docs. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, you'll find this kind of screen pop up after you open Google Docs. Simply click on Insert and here you'll find Page Break option. Simply click on Break and then click on Page Break. As you can see, the page has been breaked. Or you can simply search CTRL plus enter in your keyboard. Together, press on CTRL plus enter and your page will break in this way. This is how to insert page break in Google Docs. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.